Hello YouTube, this is going to be a cold start of a P38 2000 Range Rover 4-liter. Has the old Rover V8 in it. This truck has about 170,000 miles on it, and the temperature is probably about 30 degrees now, and in Alabama that's pretty cold. So I would do a startup on the E46 BMW this morning, but I've already driven it, so it's a little too late to do a cold start. So maybe in the morning though, if it's still cold. And it starts right up. I have converted this over to the regular coil spring suspension, so that's why it has the EAS manual on the message center. That's a very nice truck, very comfortable, even with the coil springs on it. A little shot of the interior. Seats, dark piping, tan leather. Thanks, YouTube.